About an hour later, the skies are all completely cloudy from horizon to horizon. You know, way on the edge of the horizon down there. It's all one cloud mass that was sprayed all today. And the forecast changed from being cloudy to rain. Surprise, surprise, huh? So it was supposed to be partly cloudy today, maybe cloudy in the afternoon. There was no clouds this morning. Tomorrow was supposed to be mostly cloudy and rain. Now today is supposed to rain and tomorrow is supposed to be nice. Whole sky. Aluminum, barium, strontium, lithium, titanium, copper, all things that have been found in chemtrail recipes. I know to maybe the skeptics this looks like an ordinary cloudy day, but you have to understand that none of these clouds were here this morning. And yeah, obviously clouds form, but there was not a cloud in the sky from any direction. The chemtrails started, which I'm not going to get into if chemtrails are real or not, because they are. They sprayed them all day. They got particles into the sky, and however they do it, they've turned the whole sky into a cloud, which will later turn to rain in probably 2 or 3 hours. Based on what this looks like over here in the north, it'll rain pretty soon. Pretty disappointing. It was a nice day. Keep your eyes in the sky. Thanks for watching.